Welcome to my beaded moose hide lesson. First, shoot your moose, then you skin it and stretch it on a frame. The moose hide is tanned in a smokehouse to get the final product. As you can see, the moose hide has many different colors. You use different treatments to get different colors. Mostly you can use rotten spruce, like Sharon is collecting here, and rotten birch trees. You can also use pine cones. Sharon collects her pine cones out in the bush to create a lot of smoke. The hide is sewn into a shape of a tent and held over the smoke until the right color of moose hide is achieved. So now we have number 10 beading needles, number 10 to 13 beading needles, sharp needles, beads from the dollar store, nylon thread. And these are paper templates. They're flowers cut out from paper. And there's a piece of moose hide with a template on it. This is the beaded circle. It has one petal left to bead. And that's a finished beaded flower on moose hide. And I've got a little, you can see I've got a little bead there. If I turn it around, you can see the beading. These are moose hide vamps for making moccasins. The vamps are the part of the moccasin that covers the top of your foot. These are beaded, one beaded vamp, and the second pair you can see there's two needles, the beading needle and the sharp needle. And the beading needle is the one you put all your beads on, and the sharp needle is the one that you poke through all layers of the moose hide and the fabric and over the beaded thread and down under. It's a loop. Hello, I'm going to show you how to bead on moose hide. I have a vamp or moccasin. The beading is completed on it, so I'm going to do the other side. So you have your vamp, make sure your hands are clean from dirt, and you have your beading needle here, threaded with the nylon thread. And so I'm going to pick up 6 orange beads, 6, and 6 green beads. Okay, so I've got 6 beads here. As you can see, just going to put it along the other one, hold it with my thumb like that. Put that back in there. Then I take my Sharpie needle and I go put it through the moose hide on the 3rd bead there. And then back over, loop it around the beaded thread. There we go, we've got that done. So now we'll do the same, another 3 beads, and back over. So now we'll do the same, another 3 beads, and back over. Over. And that is how you bead on moose hide.